Hey guys, this is your artist TolgArt. First of all, I wish you all a late Happy New Year. I hope that you set yourself high goals for the year, take care of your health and spend a lot of time with your family. So today, I want to start my YouTube year with a little freehand drawing of the prince. This is not a real tutorial, I just wanted to talk to you. So let me do this sketch real quick and then I will see you again. Vegeta, the most badass character, full sketch with some lightning around him to make him look even more badass. So as you can tell, I drew him a little more muscular than he usually is. That's because I would love to see these characters like that fighting each other. The show would be much better if they would look like that, in my opinion. But anyways, as I said, I drew this from memory, therefore it's not bad. Let's give him some ink.
The closer you got to me, the faster I try to leave. Like a mirage, like a mirage. The scars that you don't like me, on my arms I appear empty. Like a mirage.
No, we are not done with the inking. Now we will do the unique second part of the inking. Let's go! Now we are done with the inking, and as you can see it looks way better with the thicker lines. It's like a mix between anime and comic. I really love to draw like that. Let's color Vegeta with the good old Copics.
Like a Mars. The stars that you die like me. All my arms are your empty. Like a Mars. Like a Mars. Like a Mars. Like a Mars. Excellent.
Let's take a look. Yeah, very good. Let's continue. That's it! A little freehand rubbing of the Prince Vegeta as a Super Saiyan Blue to warm up for the new year. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, support me by sharing it, liking it, and comment what you think of this down below. Or give me some new ideas, also down below. Stay healthy, go to the gym, be a good person, be you, and always remember, You are the designer of your own life.